Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Today, we are back in the River District again. And if you've been following my channel for a while, then you already know what this master plan community has to offer. But if you missed it, just go back and check out my previous River District videos, because today we are shifting the spotlight to the luxury townhomes by Toll Brothers. These three-story townhomes are designed with elegance and convenience in mind, offering 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 to 4 bathrooms, rooftop terraces, and up to 2,200 square feet of living space. You will find open concept layouts, stunning designer finishes, and versatile living spaces perfect for families, professionals, or just anyone looking for a modern lifestyle. Today, we are highlighting the Yadkin Floorplan. Once you step inside, you will step inside to a welcoming foyer with access to a flex room and a bathroom. On the second floor, the open concept design flows from the great room to the casual dining area and kitchen, complete with a large island and walk-in pantry. You will also be able to enjoy a balcony. On the third floor is where the primary suite is located. Here you will find the dual walk-in closets, a bathroom with dual vanities, a large shower, and a private water closet, plus another secondary bedroom with its own private bath, and of course, that optional rooftop terrace for relaxing or entertaining under the Carolina skies. Now, this floor plan starts at $564,000, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and modern living. So, if you're thinking about making a move to Charlotte and want to explore these townhomes or any other homes in the area, don't wait. Give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this community and model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.